Hello, lovely people. My name is Christiana Mausi, and I'm a public health practitioner. So, in the previous videos, we've been talking about menopause, what it is, the age that it starts. That's between ages 45 to 55. The signs. What are the signs and symptoms? Things that the woman will feel or experience, and know that what she is starting her menopause or she's in her menopause. So I also talked about some health tips that will help the woman in menopause to be able to adjust comfortably to the changes, the hormonal changes, etc. that she's experiencing. So in the previous video on health tips, I talked about avoiding fast foods, fatty foods, eating more vegetables and fruits, eating foods that are high in vitamin D and calcium, because the body needs vitamin D to be able to absorb calcium. And I also warned against taking calcium supplements that are not prescribed, because it could lead to kidney stones. So you want to avoid taking calcium supplements anyhow. Discuss with your doctor and he or she will prescribe if necessary. I also talked about checking your fasting blood sugar level, ensuring that it's within the normal range. That's 3.9 to 5.6 millimoles of liter. And then you should also make sure you check your breasts. That's specifically mammogram. You do pap smear test to check whether you are at risk of developing cervical cancer. And also we talked about how to improve your sleep pattern and so forth. So today in this video I want to talk about 7 more health tips that will be useful to a woman who is starting her menopause, or woman who is in her menopause. So the first point is that you should have more frequent sex. Yes, you heard me right. You should have more sexual intercourse. I'm sure you are thinking, why? Okay, so the reason why you should have frequent sex when you are in your menopause is because sex releases chemicals that are called endorphins. And what happens is that the endorphins are able to relax your body and your mind. So at least it helps you to deal with the mood swings that come with menopause. So sex is very important. Then, to make the sex more pleasurable, remember, once you're in menopause, the vagina becomes dry. You are not able to produce a lot of vaginal fluid. So it's important to get a water-based lubricant from any pharmacy. There are so many types of brands of water-based lubricants, so you can get any of them and use before sexual intercourse to prevent painful sexual intercourse, irritations and bruises and so forth. Then the next point is that you should go out, attend events, weddings, beach. You should have fun. This will help to relax you, and then it helps you not to get depressed because of having to adjust suddenly to all these changes that your body is experiencing. So have fun. You can even organize or have some gospel jam in your house. You just play music, enjoy yourself, just relax and have fun. And then when it comes to your dressing, you should also wear lighter clothes so that you do not feel hot. Well, this is depending on the climate of wherever you are living in. But if you live in a tropical region, you want to use lighter clothes so that you do not sweat profusely. Then you also want to wear bright colors, light colors, because they keep your mood happy. They keep you happy. You do not get depressed. And please try and talk to somebody you trust when you are going through all these changes, because talking to somebody relaxes you and all that. But if you feel you are getting depressed, it's important to seek medical care. And in some extreme cases, the woman may put on very low dose of antidepressants just to keep her going. And next is avoid or quit smoking. So if you already smoke, you want to avoid smoking. You want to quit smoking. And I mentioned in the previous videos that you should seek help at any health facility. We have specialists there who will help you, to stop smoking. Remember, smoking increases your risk of developing so many cancers, including lung cancers, breast cancers, many other cancers. So it's important to work towards quitting smoking or avoiding smoking, or areas where people smoke. You want to avoid it so you don't want to then you also want to avoid smoking because it increases your risk of developing heart attack and other heart problems. So please, it's very important to stay away from smoking. So those are the remaining tips for women who are in their menopause. So have frequent sex. Your dressing should be light and bright, colors to keep your mood happy. Have frequent sex to relax your body and mind. Use water-based lubricants. You should quit or avoid smoking. You should exercise. Exercise. And exercise doesn't mean you should do strenuous exercise. Even having a morning walk or evening walk for at least 30 minutes. If you can do 15 minutes in the morning and then 15 minutes in the evening, that's fine. Yeah, so that you keep your body relaxed. So that is it for this video. Please watch out more videos. Thank you for watching.